Welcome to Java Forum. Okay, now I am going to show you how to install product media sample schema in Oracle database 21C Enterprise Edition. So this is my Oracle database 21C home directory. Okay, so under the demo schema, you can see that all the sample schema SQL files are extracted, and this is the DB sample schema 21.1 zip file which contains all the sample schema. So I extracted the content to Oracle home demo schema directory. Okay, so in this we are going to see how to install product media schema. Okay, so here product media schema, you can see it contains lot of SQL files, images and data files. So pm underscore main.sql file is the entry point of product media schema installation. So here you can see that I have replaced the string sub underscore cwd with absolute path. Make sure that you have replaced the string sub underscore cwd with absolute path. Okay, so not only in SQL files, it also need to be replaced in dat file also. Okay, in dat file also I have replaced that string with absolute path. So this is the only change we need to do before installing. Okay, so before proceeding the installation, let me show the tnsnames.ora configuration. So I have added the entry for orclpdb pluggable database in tnsnames.ora file, so that I can able to log in directly to the sqlplus to the pluggable database. Okay, so make sure that you have restarted the Oracle listener service if you have touched the tnsnames.ora file. Okay, then only the configuration changes will take effect. Okay, now let us come back to the Oracle home demo schema directory. Product media. So copy the directory path. So let me open the sqlplus sysdba. So I am logging into the container database to check whether pluggable database is up and running. So you can see that pluggable database is up and running and it's in read write mode. Okay, and it's in read write mode. Now let me log into pluggable database sys orclpdb as sysdba and start execute the queries. So pm underscore main.sql is the starting point. Okay, so provide the password. Default table space will be users, temporary table space will be temp, password for OE, which means that we need order entry schema to be installed. Okay, provide the password for sys, provide the directory path for pm data files, provide the log path to log file. Okay, provide the working directory, and finally provide the connect string. So connect string here I am giving as orclpdb, localhost colon 1521 slash orclpdb is also correct one. Okay, so product media schema is installed successfully. I did not see any error, so everything is fine. User is created, grant succeeded. Okay, table created and data loaded successfully. Okay, now let me try in Oracle SQL Developer. Yes, I can able to connect to the product media. Okay, I can able to connect to the product media. and also I can able to browse the database objects and browse select the records. So connect to the SQL developer is successful. Okay, connecting to SQL developer as a PM user is successful. Okay, let me try in SQL plus. Let me try in SQL plus. PM at orclpdb. Select star from. Yes, I can able to connect from SQL plus also. So finally, product media sample schema and selection Oracle database 20NC enterprise edition is successful. Make sure that you are replaced the sub underscore CWD with absolute path in all SQL and DAT files wherever it is necessary, which will leads to the successful installation.